Hello everyone, Tom from KJP, taking a quick look at our Padauk project boards. Padauk is perhaps one of our most popular exotic woods, mainly because of the color, of course. So there's very few woods that have this fabulous kind of deep reddish orange color, interesting black stripes to it. So if you're looking for a wood that is going to make your next project really pop, really zing, Padauk is it. So we can't guarantee that these are flat and square when they come to you as a project board, but we can say that once you've dressed them, you will be able to get a 3/4 inch board out of it. And similarly with a 2-inch thick Padauk board, that you'll be able to get 1 5/8 inches guaranteed out of your project board. If you're new to exotic woods, it's one that I highly recommend because again it's quite forgiving and doesn't demand like super sharp tools, although of course sharp tools are always better. So Padauk, please check it out, and you'll find more information on our website, and of course send us an email or phone us if you have any questions at all. We'll be very happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy your woodworking.